I am myself Olakunta Kamil, rule number 49. My topic is Monte Carlo study of silicon, germanium, arsenic, N-channel FinFET scaling. Monte Carlo study of SIGAS N-channel FinFET scaling. The effects of channel scaling in silicon and Si alternative germanium G and gallium 0.47 AS G to AS N-channel devices toward the end of the CMOS roadmap are addressed theoretically. The devices are simulated using a quantum corrected semi-classical Monte Carlo method. The results are discussed with an emphasis on the underlying physics, multiple effects of quantum confinement within the channel. Far from equilibrium degenerate statistics, saddle by slot contact geometrics with appropriate material, dependent specific content resi- resistivities, and appropriate material dependent source and drain doping concentrations are considered. With the exception of the contact resistivity of germanium, which is idealized to reflect what may be possible if the currently prohibitive contact challenge can be overcome. Introduction. CMOS technology is rapidly approaching limitations based on fundamentally physics. Performance degradation in SI CMOS with continued scaling, such as gate leakage current due to dielectric scaling, short channel effects, relatively greater variation of threshold voltage over the die and increasing lithography challenges and cost post challenges to meeting international technology roadmap for semiconductor ITRS specifications. Thus, to continue to improve the performance of CMOS, novel materials, innovative device designs, and combinations of both are being considered. Along with the integrating high mobility semiconductors, innovative device design continue to extend the limits of CMOS scaling. Partially depleted silicon on insulator SOI, fully depleted SOI, dual gated SOI, and multi-gated FPT geometrics have been explored to improve gate control over the channel and thus also allow for shorter channels and lower total gate capacitance and within accompanying reduced size on chip. The most widely adopted of these to date and the one we consider here is the FinFET, a 3D transistor designed for the 24 nanometer technology node and behind that wraps the gate around the channel instead of placing it only on the top. However, qualitative behaviors we observe here are relevant to all of these device geometrics. In this article, the effects of deep device scaling in SI and SI alternative germanium and gallium arsenic N-channel FinFETs toward the end of the roadmap are addressed through the stimulation. Specifically, we consider FinFETs with channel dimensions ranging from 18 nanometer channel length and 6 nanometer channel width to 9 nanometer channel length and 3 nanometer channel width. All of the FinFETs are assumed to be fabricated on 100 substrates. However, both a multi-valley conduction band structure model MV gallium arsenic using a conventional estimates of energy valley offsets and an idealized C valley only model C gallium arsenic are examined. The latter model represented the limit of uncertainty in the valley offset in bulk and under confinement and one possible artifact of ballistic simulation of gallium arsenic devices and aids in illustrating essential physics. Here we see the graph of silicon, gallium, arsenic, germanium. The onset current ion of simulated N-channel silicon 100, silicon 110 MV gallium as 100. C gallium arsenic 100, germanium 100 and germanium 110 channel FinFETs with one set of devices having a channel length of 18 nanometer and fin channel width of 6 nanometer and another set having a channel length of 9 nanometer and a fin channel width of 3 nanometer. Notably, these peripheral values can be reached by inelastic scattering within the quantum confined separate confinement region and still more so with energy gain within the channel and via high doping concentrations in the source, both of which are present in the stimulations. Simulated FinFET and simulation method. FinFET structure. The simulated device structure is a saddle contacted FinFET above a buried oxide BOX layer for silicon and germanium devices are above a strain relaxed buffer layer and adjacent shallow trench isolation layers for gallium arsenic devices. As illustrated in figure, for all of the simulated FinFETs, the contact length LC and the gate frontal contact spacer source and drain extension length LSP are 18 nanometer respectively. The fin height FIN, the common height of the channel and of the source and drain regions and their extension is 35 nanometer. The gate oxide is 3 nanometer thick. Here we see the FinFET diagram. An example of simulated FinFET geometry with saddle slot contacts. For the gallium arsenic FinFETs, there is a strain relaxed buffer. To either side of the strain relaxed buffer, there is an SiO2 shallow trench isolation buffer layer. For the silicon and germanium FinFETs, the strain relaxed buffer layer and shallow trench layer are combined into a single SiO2 buried oxide BOX layer. The fin overlies the strain relaxed buffer layer. The channel is covered by a nominally HFO2 gate dielectric in all cases, although a thin SiO2 interfacial layer is assumed for silicon FinFETs for the purpose of calibrating quantum confinement effects only. Si3 and 4 spacer layers above source and drain extensions separate the wrapped gate and contact from F, the wrapped source and drain contacts. Only the dimensions of the fin width, F fin, W fin, along with the underlying strain relaxed buffer layer with WSRB for gallium arsenic devices and the channel length LCH, along with overlying gate oxide and gate contact length, are varied in this work, while all other dimensions are held constant. The values of the former provided in the figure in nanometers corresponding to only the specific dimensions used for creating this image. Contact model. Contact resistance RC already accounted for nearly 40% of the total parasitic source and drain series resistance at 50 nanometer channel lengths and remains a central challenge to FinFET scaling. For the results in figure 1, following the contact specific resistivities TSP were modified from the ideal Landau-Butticher limit TLB for perfect transmissivity to more realistic values by varying the transmission probability T across the contact interface in both directions with peculiar reflections for non-transmitted electrons. Our conventional MV indium gallium arsenic model includes one C value, four valleys and three X valleys in the conduction band. The C value is modeled as spherical and the L and X values are modeled in as ellipsoidal. Band structure models. Our silicon model includes the six ellipsoidal values for the conduction band with the employed 2 into 1020 centimeter cube doping in silicon. The corresponding bulk equilibrium Fermi level would be approximately 100 MeV above the conduction band edge under these degenerate statistics. Notably, the extensions of these SI ellipsoidal energy values across the Brillouin zone edge effectively represents the next highest lying conduction band in silicon. Our conventional MV indium gallium arsenic model includes one C value 4 L values, and 3 X values in the conduction band. Germanium Monte Carlo simulation parameters. Listed are the simulated band structure and scattering parameters for germanium include the lattice constant, mass density, speed of sound, relative dielectric permittivity, electron affinity, non-parabolicity constant, value effective mass, acoustic deformation potential, deformation field, Conan energy, and intervallist separation. Stimulation parameters are consistent with previous Monte Carlo studies except for adjusting the values of the deformation potential. Stimulation approach. To stimulate these FinFETs, we used our in-house quantum corrected semi-classical Monte Carlo software, UTMC. UTMC allows for 3D device geometrics and the treatment of, among other things, far from equilibrium degenerate electron distributions, non-ideal contacts, and multiple quantum confinement effects. Here we summarize its essential features. As required for each material system, intervalley acoustic optional phonon scattering, polar optical phonon scattering, Euler scattering, Brooks Herring, ionized impurity scattering, and surface roughness scattering are modeled. The often far from equilibrium, non-thermal and highly degenerate electrons distributions are calculated. Here we see the graphs of all silicon, germanium, gallium, indium, and arsenic of FinFET. The dependence of A of the peak value of the transconductance GM turn on transition voltage delta VT and state current ion for the constant current defined threshold ion CC. D the subthreshold swing S and E DIBL with only channel length and channel fin width scaling. Once within the separate confinement region and channel scaling also increases electron quantum confinement effects on the effective bond structure. In construct, the MV gallium arsenic FinFET performs the first order still subject to limit source dropping. Additionally, the much higher mass and lower thermal velocity and mobility peripheral L values become occupied in the source and drain regions due to the limited density. Here we see the confinements of the channel. A qualitative projection of constant energy surface onto the plane of the substrate of for a silicon within a channel orientation. B. Silicon with a 6011 channel orientation. Germanium with 6010 channel orientation, and D. Germanium with 6011 channel orientation. The shaded regions corresponded to the lowest lying energy values under quantum confinement. A concrete dashed line within a valley ellipse indicates the alignment of two values within the same 100H plane case space coordinates but different coordinates normal to the plane. The channel conductivity CA subscript and confinement energy C such masses are provided for the lowest lying and thus must likely occupy values for reference, except in the case of germanium with a channel orientation for which all values in the lowest conduction band are energy degenerate. That's all about my topic. Thank you.